Yeah, very good. I mean, I like to listen to different opinions, and I think that is kind of what makes the world go round, and that's what they say. Everybody has an opinion and everybody values their own opinion. I think that the Fed is going to probably raise one more time this year in 2022, probably another 75 basis points. So we'll see. I think that right now, based on a lot of articles I've read, a lot of people I've talked to, our own financial analysis people, we think there's probably one more rate of 75 basis point increase. After that, I think they're going to take kind of a wait and see approach. But let's face it, inflation as high as it is today, even if they successfully achieve the soft landing, inflation's still very, very high, and it's gonna take a while to come down. Their goal is 2% inflation with the Federal Reserve. That's 4 times higher than that, right? If I did my math correctly, and I didn't even use a calculator. So,
That was good.
we've got a ways to go.